Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending with Xero easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with reducing spending using Xero, log into your Xero account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your financial position. Click on the Reports tab located on the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Profit and Loss. This report will help you understand. Next, customize the date range to get a more accurate comparison. Focus on identifying the areas where your expenses are highest. Take a closer look at each category of spending. If you notice any unexpected costs, investigate further. To dig even deeper, go to All Reports. Select General Ledger to break down transactions by account. Here, you can filter by specific accounts to identify trends in spending. Once you've identified high expenses, review each vendor. Consider negotiating better rates with your suppliers. You can also look for alternative vendors with competitive pricing. Next, utilize the budgeting feature in Xero. Go back to the dashboard and select Settings. From there, click on Budgeting. Create a new budget based on your historical spending. Set thresholds to help you stay on track throughout the year. Monitor your spending regularly against this budget. To track expenses efficiently, utilize Xero's Expense Claims feature. Encourage your team to submit expenses promptly for review. This will help you keep an eye on discretionary spending. Additionally, consider implementing approval processes for larger expenses. Regularly review your subscriptions and recurring expenses. Cancel any services that are no longer needed. Xero also allows you to categorize transactions automatically. Make use of this feature to streamline your expense tracking. By categorizing expenses, you'll gain clearer insights into where your money goes. Finally, schedule regular reviews of your financial reports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.